Hey guys, wanna know how to change your background in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply import any video that you like. Now, for me, in this timeline, I have this blue background right here with the transparent Porsche logo on top. Now, in order to change the background, what you can do is just simply select this blue color and delete it. Now, you can add any background that you like. Maybe you can import media by taking right here and dragging and drop it to the timeline. And as you can see, your background has been changed. You can also go to stock media and then select any other colors. So I'll just select this movie scene background right here, and there you have it. It has been changed, just as easy and simple as that. And that's it. Now your background has been changed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.